American Red Cross is trying to save lives and prevent fires by installing 100,000 free smoke alarms across the country in just 16 days. Every day, 7 people in the U.S. die from a home fire and another 36 are hurt. From April 28th to May 13th, Red Cross volunteers will install the free smoke alarms as part of the Sound the Alarm campaign. If you want to be part of the Sound the Alarm campaign or have a smoke alarm installed in your home for free, head to our website, WWLP.com.